In this video, I will show you two simple ways to warp text into shape in Illustrator. In the first method, we are going to create outlines for our text. In order to do this, select your text and create outlines either by clicking on Type and Create Outlines, or by left-clicking on the text and selecting Create Outlines. You can also use the shortcut Shift+O on your Mac and Shift and Ctrl+O on your Windows. As you can see here in the layer stocker on the right side, the text has been converted to a shape. Now you can edit each letter individually when clicking on this round circle here. The second method involves the Make with Warp feature. You can use this by selecting your text and clicking on Object, Envelope Distort, and Make with Warp. You can also use the shortcuts Alt or Option and Shift+W on your Mac, or Alt-Shift-Control and W on your Windows. This method is especially useful when you want to warp the text to a specific shape as shown here. But notice that with this method it won't be possible to edit the individual letters. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.